the Cyclic Universe Theory. Watch to the end of this video where things get really interesting. We cover the Cyclic Universe Theory. Before we continue, please subscribe and like this video so we can continue to bring you answers and information that will blow your mind. In the beginning, there was nothing. No stars, no planets, no galaxies. Just an infinite expanse of darkness and emptiness. But then, something miraculous happened. The universe was born. But how did this happen? Scientists believe that the universe began with the Big Bang, a massive explosion that occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Before the Big Bang, all the matter in the universe was concentrated in an incredibly dense and hot point known as a singularity. Suddenly, this singularity expanded rapidly, and the universe began to cool and expand. Have you ever wondered where all this stuff originally came from? It is hard for our minds to grasp. One of two scenarios: either all the stuff was always here and never not, and in one form or another, or it was created by God who was always here and never not. As the universe expanded, it cooled and matter began to form. Atoms of hydrogen and helium formed, which eventually formed stars and galaxies. Over time, these stars and galaxies began to cluster together, forming the large-scale structure of the universe that we see today. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists continue to study the universe, trying to understand its origins and its ultimate fate. Will it continue to expand forever, or will it eventually collapse in on itself? Only time will tell. One thing is certain: the universe is vast, mysterious and endlessly fascinating. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how little we truly know. The Cyclic Universe Theory. What if I told you the Big Bang wasn't just a one-time event? What if I told you it's happening over and over again? How many Big Bangs has there been? We have your answer, and it is hard to grasp. If the Cyclic Universe Theory is true, there are an infinite number of Big Bangs that have happened and will happen. Your mind has been blown. You are welcome. This idea is known as the Cyclic Universe Theory. It suggests that the universe goes through an endless cycle of expansion and contraction, with each cycle beginning with a Big Bang and ending with a big crunch. The theory predicts that as the universe continues to expand, it will eventually start to slow down. Eventually, the expansion will stop, and the universe will start to contract. This contraction will continue until all matter and energy are once again concentrated in a singularity. And then, the cycle will begin again with a new Big Bang. This theory also predicts that there could be other universes existing alongside our own, each in its own cycle of expansion and contraction. While the Cyclic Universe Theory is still just a theoretical concept, it has been gaining attention in recent years as a potential explanation for certain observations in cosmology, such as dark energy and the accelerating expansion of the universe. Stay tuned for our next video, because it will truly blow your mind. Please subscribe and like and share this video.